Hello traders. This is part 3 of continuing Forex trading using the FXC Core 100 Expert Advisor. In the previous video, I have shared this Expert Advisor for free. You can visit the website etrade-e.com to get it. I run this Expert Advisor on the 1 hour or H1 time frame. There are two types of Expert Advisors: Expert Advisor to buy and Expert Advisor to sell. For my buy settings set like this. This EA is specifically for trading the EUR/USD Forex pair only. And the settings for sell like this. Lots start from 0.01. The settings are also quite simple, just like this. Oh yes, if you like this video, support channel this by clicking like and subscribe. Your support is very meaningful for the development of this channel, so that it can benefit many people. I will switch to my Martingale 5 account to see detail from trading Forex using this EA. Drawdown 15.4%. Profit growth of 21%. To run this Expert Advisor, I recommend using a broker with low spreads and a VPS with specifications latency the low. If you are interested, you can try it for free from the link in the video description. Trading history at the moment, there is a floating loss of 1.41 USD. Profit in March 9.75%, and in April it is currently running at 10.62%. I will also see the nominal drawdown. Maximum drawdown based on the balance of 184.84 USD, and drawdown by equity up to 342.03 USD, meaning you can't use this EA if your capital is below 342 USD. And this is the result of Forex trading with the EUR/USD pair for 5 weeks. I will also look at trading history information. The information I got here is that EA uses the Martingale system, but with multiple lots that are not too big. Average lot used from 0.01 to 0.04. Information statistics. Total trading during these 5 weeks, as many as 450 transactions. Profit ratio 73%, with an average trading duration of 6 hours. Total trading every week, an average of 121 transactions. Profit factor 1.98. In using Expert Advisors, always make sure to understand the strategies and features used to maximize profits and avoid losses. And don't forget to continue to monitor and optimize the use of Expert Advisors to get better results in Forex trading. For capital recommendations, it is recommended to start from $200 with a 4 hour or H1 time frame. I will also show you trading results from 2021 using FXC Core 100. You can see here the profit that has been obtained is 13,687 euros. This data is updated as of April 21, 2023. These are trading results from November 7, 2021. You can visit the website etrade-e.com and the Mike's Book report for a more detailed analysis. Okay. This is the result of Forex trading using Oracle EA Expert Advisor for 5 weeks. Thanks for watching till the end.